There, Ryan, look at, you know what? She's probably gonna... Oh, Ryan, what? You're gonna be sorry she dents your car. Oh, she's licking it, Ryan.
She's licking the salt off the side.
Is that what she's doing?
Yeah. Give me the camera quick. I can get it in the mirror.
Just don't move. Aw, she's so beautiful. No. She's still licking it?
Mm-hmm.
So I wonder if she does that in parking lots when people park and then they go over to cars and lick them.
That's hilarious.
Chloe doesn't know that she's being quiet now.
Take a look, just look in the mirror.
Ryan, she's right there. Are you gonna be okay if she dents your car?
Well, I'm gonna hope that the car doesn't get dented.
I'm just scared Miles is gonna jump up. Oh, she's just beautiful. Uh-oh. Stay. Stay. No. Oh my God. Don't move, Ryan. Chloe, sit.